Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews, and all that other beauty influencer jazz, apart from the drama. I don't like drama. But it is too much drama in this world already, so we don't want to create anymore. So yeah, so welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to give you a look I created with using Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette. I am obsessed with Latte 2 palette right now. It's just last I think couple of looks I did, even if it's just for photographs or just for Instagram or YouTube, I've been using the Latte 2 palette a lot. It's one of my becoming my new obsession right now, and I'm just going to show you how I created this beautiful brown intense smoky eye with a bit of a pop of color in this video. So hope you guys enjoy it. But before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. So I'm not going to bore you guys anymore with more words, so let's just get into this video and see how I created this beautiful look. Thank you for watching. Love you.
Hi everybody. Okay, so for this look we are going to begin with some primer, and I'm going to use my Elf Cosmetics Putty primer. This is one of my favorite drugstore primers because it is so good. For foundation, I'm going to use my Wonder Beauty foundation. This is the Nude Illusion foundation in shade Golden Medium, and I'm actually using this new sponge in this video. This is a silicone makeup sponge, so you will see the one side is quite hard like silicone and the other side is just like look like a beauty blender. You don't have to damp this sponge before you apply your foundation. So I liked it, but I'll give you more review about that in another video. For my under eye concealing, I'm using Tarte Cosmetics new hydroconcealer, and this is in shade Honey Medium, and that's 35N. This shade is very close to my own skin tone, so it really helps to cover the dark circles. And this one is medium natural, medium neutral, same Tarte Cosmetic hydroconcealer but different shades. This shade is a bit lighter, so it helps to brighten up the under eye area. Before I go with any more products, because it's summer, I'm going to keep setting my makeup throughout the few steps, so everything looks nice and dewy and not oily or too dry or cakey. For rest of my brightening, I'm using Fenty Cosmetics concealer, and this is in shade number 230. This is, I will say this shade is very close to my liking. So I don't like my face to be super brightened, but I still like to brighten up certain areas, so it's perfect shade for my skin tone. And I just using the silicone sponge and my Stands Out beauty sponge to do most of my blending and all the other jazz. For the powder, for setting everything in place, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. This is in shade medium. This is a very good powder because it's super lightweight and it has a very nice finish. First of all, I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm going to use Fenty Cosmetics powder bronzer in shade Shady Biz, and I'm just going to go to say light to medium hand with my bronzer because I just want to warm up the perimeter of my face before I do any sort of contouring. And to highlight, like to define more contour and give my face a little bit more definition, I'm going to use my Kevyn Aucoin Tropical light brown bronzer. This bronzer is more on of a cool tone side than warm tone, so it works really well as to do like defining your face shape and to do actual harsh contour, if you say so. And I'm using Kevyn Aucoin contour brush to do this. I'm taking a Fenty Beauty bronzer again on a more of a powder brush. This brush is more like an angle powder brush. This is from Morphe, and I'm just going to bronze my nose and also going to clean up with the my setting powder to give a proper contoured shape on my nose. For my blush, I'm using the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette. I just picked up the pink shade from the palette and I've used that as a blush. That's why I really love the Latte palette, because it's very, very versatile. You can use the shades to many places on your face, not only just eyes. For my brows, I've used Anastasia brow gel first. So I've actually applied the gel first, and then I'm going with my Urban Decay brow blade, and this is in shade number, I don't know, I think it's pretty dark brown. I'll write down all the shades in the description box below. Now I'm just carving out my brows with my Wonder Beauty foundation, and I'm going to use the same as my eye base as well. Now I'm going with eyeshadows. That's why I just applied some loose setting powder under my eyes, so if I have a fallout, it won't just mess up my base, and it will stay on the loose powder. First of all, I'm picking up the shade Cafecito, which is a really nice brown, but it has like a really nice mahogany undertone as well. So it's still brown, but it has more like a reddishy copper tone than intense dark brown. So that's the one I'm applying with my Sigma E25, and I'm keeping that in my crease and also on the outer part of my eye. With a clean blending brush, I just picked up a shade Cafecito, and I'm just using that as a helping shade to blend my eyeshadow. For rest of my lid, I've just applied dark, oh my god, I believe it's a dark dream or something. It's the darkest shade, dark brown shade from the palette, and I've just used that all over my lid and also applied that on my lower lash line. So I pretty much smoked out whatever I did on my upper part of my eye. I'm just taking that all on the lower lash line as well. Now I'm just finished both of my eyes, and I'm just going to dust off my setting powder and just do a little bit more coating of the blush, because I just don't want my setting powder to wipe off all my blush. I applied the Covergirl liquid eyeliner and Loreal Infallible Dark Brown pencil liner in my waterline. Just using a Lit Cosmetics glitter in shade Ice Blue. Just applied the Lit Cosmetics glitter glue and just topped it up with the glitter. For the mascara, I've used Hourglass mascara for this look, and lashes, I'm using Boss Babe lashes in style Superwoman. For my lip liner, I'm using MAC Cosmetic lip liner in shade Strip Down, and for the gloss, I'm using Java gloss from Dominique Cosmetics, which is also a part of Latte 2 launch. For the highlighter, I've used Pretty Vulgar's highlighter. It's really subtle highlighter, and to set everything in place, I'm using my Glow Recipe Watermelon Facial Mist. And that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in a comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you, take care, stay safe, be happy, and take care of your mental and physical health. See you soon, guys. Bye.